guys, today we're out here at the Grabouw 4x4 trail. There was a little bit of rain last night, so the trails have got a little bit of water on them. Today I've got a couple of my mates with me. We got Ross in his Defender 110, Paul in a Defender 90, Jason in a Ford Ranger, and then we got Ian in a Disco 3. So we're keen to see how the vehicles hold up today. Stay tuned and enjoy.
I'm probably going to stick to the right side there. Yeah, also. What did the other guys do? Next up, the Jimny. Let's do this. Looks easy, man.
Next up was the Jimny coming down the hill from the different angle. So one of my mates was filming as I was coming down with the mandatory chirps, which I'll let you guys listen into.
So guys, we've come out to Elgin today and we've created a little miniature sand pit and we brought some toys along, dinky toys, just to put it into perspective. The toy car coming down this little miniature hill we've made is actually 2 centimeters wide in reality. Tiffany is probably.
Tiffany's going to shit herself a bit more now. John's trying to get out.
Straight.
You've got to stay on the road.
Hey. No.
No.
Other way. Come straight. Yeah. No more. No.
Yes.
Turn the other way. Yeah.
Jono's trying to get out the trail.
No, it's like, I don't like this trail, I'd like to be somewhere else.
Tiffany's fucking serious. Nice. Keep going.
Ross, what's happening here, boys?
Just testing out my new IF jack. Boys. Yeah. Awesome.
After all the fun and games, we decided to stop for a little bit of lunch. As you can see, the Defender had a bit of a technical difficulty, but nothing a little bit of lunch couldn't sort out.
Comes the little Jimny. Oh, go. Just gotta gooi het. Punch it, Chewy.
Next up, it was the turn of the Discovery, the Disco 3. And then behind him, we had my mate Jason in the Ford Ranger. You could see the difference in the control. They both had auto boxes, so you could see how much more control they had coming up this slippery slope. And then at bringing up the rear, we had the Defender 110 driven by my mate Roscoe. And again, you could see without having the auto box, you could see he also had a little bit more fun than the guys with the autos. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, please hit that like and subscribe button if you'd like to see more of this kind of stuff. Thanks. Cheers.